Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll and find wallpaper. So here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so live wallpapers, photos, wallpaper and style, and wallpapers. Basically just tap on the wallpaper and style, for example, and here we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and after scrolling down a little bit we've got this option change wallpaper, so just tap. Here we've got another album, so our own gallery, we can set our own photo as a wallpaper. We've got on device wallpapers where we've got this white wallpaper and other wallpapers. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see we've got two pre-installed options, so the one which we've got currently applied and the white one, and I will pick white one. So just tap on it and tap on set wallpaper. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we just got back. Here you've got also the colors which can be applied to the system, so it's up to you whether you want to change them or not. And still we've got the previous wallpaper as a preview, but after turning off the settings, the previews will be changed. And after getting back to the home page, you can see that the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.